I am done with this dog. He keeps barking, he pees everywhere, I let him out, he runs away. I'm done.
No. Give him one more chance. Okay, listen, I have a plan. Let me talk to my guy. He's elite.
Your top guy?
Bro, we got a problem, okay? You have to chill with the running and the pooping and the peeing and the barking. She's gonna make you leave.
That was like one time, and that was taken out of context.
Not true. Our bathtub, the nursery, our bedroom, our bed? Come on, man, our bed?
Yeah, that was rough, but I was in a dark place.
Listen, Broseph, we need a real plan. I'm just gonna say it.
Don't say it.
I'm gonna say it.
You're saying it.
We need professional help.
Oh, a kennel with the dog wizard mystic guy?
Brocephus's aura is misaligned.
Broda, it's not like that. I'm talking about Make Your Dog Epic. This is the highest rated, most reviewed dog trainer in the area. And plus, they've got the fastest turnaround time in the industry. We'll barely be apart.
Yeah, and where are you gonna get the money for that?
Make Your Dog Epic is only 50 cents for the first lesson. Plus, they'll beat any competitor's price, and they have a money-back guarantee.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Send me to the cheapest dog trainer there is. Sure.
They'll help you with your barking.
I'm only barking because I want your attention. And that mailman, he thinks he can touch our door? Forget about it.
And jumping up on visitors?
They want me. They want my love. They just don't know it yet.
Brodini, I get it. But I need you to help me. Help me, Broby-Wan Kenobi. They're our only hope.
Fine, I'll go. But you're gonna owe me a lot of belly scratches when I get back.
This is me loving you. Don't you see it? Us. You, me, our relationship will never be the same. That's a good boy.
Hey, no weakness. Just schedule it. Go to makeyourdogepic.com, fill out the form or call him. I do myself, but I have no fingers.
Do you need to have your dog professionally trained? Do you need your dog to stop barking at the neighbors? Do you want your dog to stop going potty in the house? Do you want to have an epic and well-trained dog at an affordable price? What makes the Make Your Dog Epic dog training experience unique? At Make Your Dog Epic, your first dog training lesson is just 50 cents, which is less than $1. Make Your Dog Epic is home to the highest rated, most reviewed dog training company in the area. At Make Your Dog Epic, we will beat any competitor's price for similar services. At Make Your Dog Epic, we offer a money-back guarantee. So if the training doesn't work, we never blame you or the dog, it's always our fault. At Make Your Dog Epic, we offer the fastest turnaround time in the industry. That way you can start enjoying time with your epic dog as soon as possible. At Make Your Dog Epic, when you schedule that first lesson with us, we automatically enter you in for a chance to win a dream vacation to Hawaii. Whoa! Which is a lot like Oklahoma, except the weather's different. There's beaches, palm trees. But if you'd rather go to Oklahoma, we can do that as well. How does the Make Your Dog Epic training experience work? When you fill out that form on makeyourdogepic.com, we are going to call you and schedule that first lesson for just 50 cents, which is less than $1. We are going to meet you for that first lesson. That way we can tell you what it's going to take to get your dog to your goals. Because every dog's different and everyone's goals are different. We'll either do one-on-one lessons where it's half dog training, half human training. I'll let you guess which one's harder. Or we're going to do boarding school, where you send your dog with us and we take care of all the homework for you. No matter what you do, we're going to make sure everything transfers to you. Because it's pretty pointless if we get your dog to listen to us, but no one else in your family. Disclaimer, currently we do not offer a service that will get your in-laws to listen to you. You will receive unlimited ongoing group class for the remainder of your dog's epic life. That's because we want to be there for you and your dog forever. We never want you to have to use another trainer after training with us. Our goal is to teach obedience, but never at the expense of the dog's personality, because if we get your dog to listen, but we have to crush its spirit in the process, what's the point? Our motto is it's the same dog, but now it's all ears. You'll now have a well-behaved dog that you can walk or jog with without it channeling its inner sled dog and pulling you down the street. You will have a dog that won't bark at the neighbors or potty in the house. You will be entered in for a contest to win a dream trip to Hawaii that we will be giving away every January. Pow wow whoa, yippee-oh, yippee-yay. Take that first step and schedule that first 50-cent lesson at makeyourdogepic.com. Makeyourdogepic.com.
I know you gonna dig this.
Let's go now. Let's go now. Here we go now.